Creating professional infographics used to take hours and a lot of time and skills, but with this latest AI tool, you can create stunning visuals in seconds. Let me show you how. All you need is the source data for the infographics, then you can generate the infographics with Napkin AI. In the second half of this video, I'll show how to make more complex data-based infographics and then how to export for different use cases. So here we are on the Napkin AI website, which is free at the moment because they've just launched this product. It's free to use the starter plan, it's free to use the professional plan. So this is a very exciting time to get to use this product. So when you come into Napkin AI, once you've signed in, click on New Napkin, Blank Napkin, or you could draft with AI as well if you want to. So I'm going to paste in the pain points of why this video matters for you. And just click on this button to the left here, and it's going to bring up some ideas for some visual infographics. So you can see here's some of the first infographic: manual creation, automated tools, choosing the best method for creating infographics efficiently, time consuming and skill intensive, automated tools, quick and accessible, different ways to add this up. Yeah, this is very cool. And you can just go through and decide like which one you think represents it the most clearly. And you can click generate more to get it to generate more infographics. So I think for me, the best one that did this manual creation versus automated tools. So you've got time consuming and skill intensive, and automated tools, quick and accessible. So you can see this quickly just shows you visually what the information presented that you've written down is. And then when you've got an infographic you want to use in your presentation or your YouTube video, you can click on it here and you can export it. So you can click on aspect ratio, you can change it to say 16:9. So if you're doing a video, you'd want it to be 16:9. And you can change the style here. Say for instance, you like this kind of one, but you want to just change the style, you can go through, it'll give you a few different options. So I think the one with the bold colors here is really good. And you can go in here and change the words if you want. And then you can download that and use that in your video. So you've got a choice here of saving it as a PNG, which is a high quality picture, a PDF. You can choose the background on or off, so you can have it without the background or with the background. So times the resolution, so it's a higher quality picture. So when it comes to more complicated infographics, such as say you want to take the analytics from your YouTube video or take the analytics from a Excel sheet, like a CSV sheet, I was surprised to find out that actually ChatGPT can take the information from a graph and present it in lots of different infographic styles as well. Here we are inside of the YouTube studio for this channel, and I've got into the analytics here, and I just clicked on this button at the top right here to export the current view of all the data within my channel. So then when you do that, what you get is this folder for downloads here, which is content, production, and you get this CSV file here. Video title, video publishing time, duration, views, watch hours, subscribers, impressions, and click-through rates. So you can take that CSV file they've exported from your YouTube studio, or whichever data source you're using for whatever it is you want to create an infographic for, drop it into ChatGPT 4.0, and then you can see it's in the chat. And I'm going to ask it, create an infographic showing the top 10 best performing videos based on watch time, including click-through rate and subscriber gain. So then it's going to analyze this CSV file I've given it, and it's going to come up with some infographic to display that in a visual way as well. Very handy for showing at a presentation, or even showing in a YouTube video, or even just to understand the information better yourself and see which videos are performing the best. And here we can see the first infographic that is brought up here. So if you click into this infographic, it's saying here's the infographic showing the top 10 best performing videos based on watch time. The blue bars represent watch time hours, while the red circles indicate subscriber gain, and the green squares show click-through rate. Let me know if you need any modifications. So we can click on download so we can see this more clearly. Blue is the watch time hours, so the most watched video has about 70 watch hours. But you can see here what's interesting is like this video, the fourth one down, has less subscriber gains, slightly less subscriber gains, even has a lot more watch hours than the video below it that has much less watch hours but slightly more subscriber gain. Then you can see here click-through rate, which is interesting as well. So you can see the click-through rate is fairly consistent all the way across. This one, it's third down, has slightly less click-through rate, and the one here, funny enough, that has the 9th best performing video has a much higher click-through rate, but hasn't performed as well in terms of watch time hours. So if you're not happy with the way it's displayed it, you can also ask it to modify it or to create more. So the pie chart's a bit of a mess, hasn't quite worked out as well as I would have liked it to, but I guess that's because we've got these really skinny ones here. If we just stuck to the bigger top 5 videos, it would have worked better. It's given us another option here in terms of a bar chart, which is very interesting. So now you can turn any idea into a powerful infographic with Napkin AI, or the more complex data-driven information with an infographic using ChatGPT, or I'm sure Gemini as well. If you would like access to any of the AI visuals created in this video or the information to create them, we have a private AI community called the ACT community. It's linked in the pinned description below. It's free for 7 days. And inside that group, we have regular Google Meets where we look into the latest AI tools and we share how to use them so we can plan, create, grow, and earn using video on YouTube and across social media. Well, seeing as you've stayed this long in the video, make sure to check out some of the other AI videos here or here, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.